Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna share with you how to show the extension of any file on your PC. For example, I have this image and I cannot see if it is PNG or JPG unless if you hover this file and it's gonna show, as you can see, PNG file. But I want to show the extension of this file next to the name like this. It's gonna be .png. How to do this? Just go to this PC and then go to view and you will see file name extension. Just check this one, and if you go back to this file, as you can see, capture.png, it means that this file is a PNG file, and it will work for other softwares too. It's gonna show its extension to be easy for you to understand this file, what is it about. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.